Oh, thank you for watching this video. In this video, I'm going to talk about uh, QuickBooks Online Advanced, create batch transactions, how to create batch invoices, expenses, interest checks, you know, uh, create sales receipts, bank deposits, that kind of stuff. So if you're in business that you need to create a whole bunch of invoices, and you write bunch of checks, and so if that's the situation, then this feature is very helpful to you. So the best transaction screen in QuickBooks Advanced, it looks like this, and so you can do best transactions for invoices, best transactions for checks, best transactions for expenses type, batch transaction for vendor bills and bank deposits and sales receipts, those types. Okay, so I'm going to go to QuickBooks Online Advanced now. And before I do that, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and leave a comment if you have a question. Okay, so I'm going to go to QuickBooks Online Advanced now. Okay, so the Advanced looks like this. Your uh, you know, home screen could maybe look different, but this is the one I'm using, the sample one. Okay, so you click the plus and then you click batch transactions. So this is on advanced batch transaction. So the screen looks like this. So you can import from Excel CSV type format, and then you can click and link to your spreadsheet too. But the Google spreadsheet won't. There's no connection on this one. Okay, so the invoices is here. Let's look at here. So you have invoices, checks, expenses, bills, bank deposit, and sales receipt, and then the create, modify, or delete. If you have already created invoices and you want to modify it a little bit, then you can do it. Or if you want to complete delete, you can do it too. So it's basically just to select a customer from your customer list, and so we'll have all the near terms and the invoice date. Just like if you know how to create invoice, then this is straightforward. And then basically you just select the you know your problem service list. Service, it could be inventory or service type, and you can update it if you want to. Let's say you want to sell 5, right? And if it's taxable or not. And same thing if it's a service type. So I got an idea now. And you can do this on spreadsheet if you want. Uh, and just import it. The template is, should look like this. Let's say you want to charge sales tax or no sales tax, that's fine. Service, sometimes you don't have sales tax, and then so you save it. That's it. Okay, and let's go to the expense checks writing, the same screen. So it's basically check number, pay, and so on and so forth, and just save it. Uh, and the bank deposit, this is the new one they have added. So it's pretty straightforward. Deposit account. So this is this you just want to add to your income, and there's no matching. There's no invoice to match. So basically, all undeposited funds. So that's where you want this checking, the payment date. So, what this one has location, so may not have one, and then you select the customer, the amount, the account. This the let's say this is the expense income, billable income. So it's the same thing. It's pretty straightforward. And you already have the date in here and the type and memo. These are all blocked. And the payment type, let's say it's a check. So check number like this. Let's say amount. And you can make this billable or non-billable, so it's billable is basically you need to make a bill again. Check if you have it there, and taxable and non-taxable, and the customer is right here, you know, right here, and the cash. Well, this is just a blank thing. So if you have to return it, then it goes back to checking again. Okay, so this is what it is. So the location, if you're using location, you can select location. In this case, there's no location set up on this one, and these are grayed out. Okay, so this is the bank deposit, and so it's pretty neat. Let's do the other one. If you want to see it, how they look, it's kind of slow today. All right, so bank deposit down. I'm just gonna show you the screen since this is slow. Sales receipt, same thing, like the other invoice type, and vendor bills. So this will create accounts payable, bill date, due date, terms, bill number, the reference number, and the vendor you select from your list, like this. It's pretty straightforward. And let's do the other one. Okay, we already went through this, and then already went through checks. So if this is something you need it, if you write a bunch of checks, and in certain business you have to write a check. There's no alternative. You can't have uh, you have to do it same day type business. And you can't wait. So then this is pretty helpful. Just write it and then just print it. Okay, that's it on this one. Hope this is helpful. So if you are using advanced, and if you write all these batch transactions, then you need advanced version. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.